Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new episode of Random Review Squad, and today I've got my hands on a new phone from Samsung. It's called the Samsung S20 Plus BTS Edition. Alright, so today we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna take a look at the phone and whether you should really buy it or not. I'm your host Stu, and this is Random Review Squad. Okay, so today we've got the Samsung S20 Plus BTS Edition. It comes in a nice box, alright, so we're gonna open it up. Okay, so the box looks pretty cool. Okay, so it's got 7 hearts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because I think it's their new album kind of thing. Probably, you know, they've got 7 members as well, so I don't know if that's a thing. In purple here, alright, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Okay, so wow, this is the box. You can see, it's pretty cool. The S20 logo there, it's got purple accents and it's got dots and all that. The guy in the shop did open this up, so because usually local shops kind of open it up, check whether it's working or not. So from what I see, it's a B.Purple 128GB SMG985F. So as you can see, straight off the bat, you've got the phone there. Okay, the plastic is already off. So I'm just gonna put this aside first. Wow, look at the color. And that's the color right there. Okay, as you can see, it's shining a bit. Okay, it's shining a bit. In this camera, it's a little different. Okay, it's got multiple colors. It's like a pink, bluish, yellow mixed kind of colors. It's exactly like what my background color kind of is. Alright, so that's pretty cool there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside. This is nothing. Okay, and then, so apparently they come with Galaxy Buds if you buy them separately, but since this is bought on contract, you don't have the buds. Okay, so standard super fast charging adapter plug. Yeah, so nice black charger. And then we've got some adapters here. Yeah, that's empty for some reason. Charging cable, just standard black USB-C to USB-C. And of course we have the headphones, which is a USB-C headphone from AKG, the standard black ones. Alright, so it's a standard black AKG headphones or earphones. Alright, so you don't get the BTS Edition Galaxy Buds by AKG. Now these standard earpieces are actually pretty good by themselves. You kind of settle if you have these. Right, so that's about it in the box. I think there's nothing else. Oh, the underside of stuff. Oh, that's a thick box. So you've got the SIM pin here. Alright, standard, everyone has one. And it comes with a nice cover. Good that nowadays companies give covers. Start guide. Wow, okay, so look at the case. This is like, okay, so it's a standard clear case. It's just clear. And they've got stickers, like full-on army stickers. Okay, shiny, I believe in your Galaxy. Yeah, and then some emojis and purple heart. So those who like that, you can paste that. Apparently, I guess it's supposed to paste it in the back of your cover, I'm not sure, or on the phone. And this seems to be the memorabilia. Ooh, so there's cards in here. You've got RM, you've got Jin, Sugar, you've got J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. Okay, so that's 7 guys. And you get cards for them behind, it's nothing. So they just collect items, which is cool. Alright. Don't ask me how I know all the names of these guys. Okay, I still am somewhat of a fan. I'm not very passionate. But yeah, I listen to them occasionally. They're pretty good. They make pretty good music. Okay, so now let's take a look at the phone. Okay, so this is the S20 Plus BTS Edition. As you can see the colors. Okay, as you can see, there's a heart here above the camera. So yeah, you got 4 cameras on the back. You got 1 in the front. Okay, so that's the punch hole design. The main sensor should be 64 megapixels and then the rest should be 12. And 1 VGA sensor. Front camera is about 10 megapixels. Yeah, we'll go into the camera in a while. Alright, so basically nice blue plating on the side, like bluish, purplish kind of plating. You got your standard USB-C. It's pretty cool, SIM card tray and all that. So I'm going to turn this on. Alright, so as you can see that, S20 Plus. I believe in your Galaxy. So you got hard there. Okay, so straight away, there's a sound. It's cool. There's a sound when it turns on. Straight away, you've got the BTS logo, purple launcher or somewhat. Okay, so you got icons here, phone and camera. and all that. So I'm going to swipe to unlock. Pretty fast. I've forgotten how to use Samsung One UI, and I'm going to look at how fast that is. Okay, so it is One UI Android 10. Okay, and then you have that Android 10. So if I go in, I can actually change the hertz. Okay, let me just go to display, and then as you can see here, now it's currently 60 hertz. You can actually change it and bump it up to 120 hertz, but of course 120 hertz is gonna like pull in more battery life, and that's an issue, right? Screen resolution, you can bump it up to 2K, or you can just leave it at FHD. Of course, as you increase the resolution, the battery life reduces as well. I think you can only go 120 hertz if you have FHD on. Yeah, let me just try that out. So I'm gonna change this to 120 hertz. It does say that it doesn't support that, so you can't do that. So yeah, as I'm using this, it's pretty, 120 hertz is insane. That's like, you see, that's immediate. That's pretty immediate, so that's pretty cool. I'm using the Pixel 4 XL, so that's 90 hertz, and that's pretty fast in itself, but this 120 hertz is insane. It's got the purple launcher. The thing I don't like about launchers is that you see some of the apps are supported and some aren't, so it kind of gets weird a little bit with some colors here and there, and then some that are not, you know, the right color. It has a Samsung Exynos 990 chip because it's the international variant. It's got 12 gigs of RAM. It's got 128 gigs of storage. Apparently it's got expandable storage, so I think if you pull this out, you can have more storage using SD card. Android 10, One UI 2.0. Got face unlock, fingerprint sensor, in-display fingerprint sensor. Okay, I don't know where the fingerprint sensor is. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and set up the unlocking. Swipe, you got pattern, pin, password, face, and fingerprint. So I'm just gonna unlock with face, continue. So you can actually select whether you wear glasses or not. I do wear glasses, so I'm gonna select that. 2 snaps and done. So this is an in-display fingerprint sensor. Okay, so I'm gonna try unlocking. Let's see how quick it is. And that's pretty fast, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna try the in-display fingerprint. And that's, yeah, so it's a little bit slower than some, but this is pretty fast in itself. But the only issue is you gotta turn it on, you know. Oh, okay, so you don't have to turn it on. You know, just roughly place my finger around the area and it unlocks. Okay, that's cool. I'm just gonna try and watch some videos. Okay, so I've connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna watch some unbox therapy, skip the ad. Okay, so you can actually zoom in.
Well, this is exciting. They're not even out yet.
So that's full screen. So it seems like they're firing from both ends. So it's using the front speaker and the call speaker and the bottom speaker, right? So it's got 2. Okay, so screen is beautiful. Okay, the only thing I'm very annoyed about, usually get annoyed about, is this dot here. Okay, this is like always gonna be there. Okay, so I hope soon we get phones that don't have punch hole cameras. Oh my god, YouTube ads! Just gonna blast this. So I think this is my first time using One UI 2.0, and it seems pretty clean. I think it's closer to the original Android. Okay, the audio is on top. Alright, then you've got different options for audio. You've got live caption. Okay, they've implemented that. Press and hold the button. You've got Bixby still. You've got a number of things you can do. Alright, so let's turn on dark mode. Okay, that's beautiful. So now you've got wireless power share, which you can, you know, kind of share with other phones. You've got an inbuilt screen recorder. That's pretty cool. Haven't seen that in a while. Music share. Dolby Atmos. Okay, there's focus mode. I'm not sure what focus mode is. I think it's more of, yeah, so for like yourself. Okay, and I'm gonna take some photos. Okay, you got normal photo mode. You've got single take. This is new, so I guess it takes video of something and then clips out certain photos. You can see, so this is the normal one. So I'm just gonna take one shot in this. Okay, so the focus is pretty fast. And I'm gonna take a really close-up shot. Look at the detail. Okay, and then I'm gonna take like an ultra wide. So that's a lot of detail. And of course in video you can like kind of change the ratio. Okay, you can do 8K, and then HDR is on, of course. You got super steady, so probably that's the stabilization thing. You've got 60 FPS, 4K, you got 4K without 60 FPS, FHD 60 FPS, and then normal FHD. So I can change that to UHD and whatnot. So that's a lot of options for me to use. If you're, you know, taking YouTube videos and all that, I think it will come in handy. Okay, and then there's like some beauty mode, some filters. All right, it's got pro video as well, super slow-mo, live focus, hyperlapse. So you can kind of try out all these things. Okay, then you've got the zooms, right? You've got the zooms. Okay, apparently you've got the zooms. You press in, you have all the zooms. You can go in all the way like 3 times, and then you have like 4 times, 10 times. Okay, I don't know why you would do that. 10 times, and then you have 30 times. Okay, so that's just kind of blur. And you have a preview of what you're pointing at. There's a special app in the BTS Edition Samsung phone called the Bts Xr Snapshot. So I'm just going to take a look at that. So when you go in, you actually have the BTS members, and then you can actually choose them, and you can apparently take photos with them. You can choose one of the band members. There's only 3 of the members currently, so I'm just going to choose RM, and you can see him pop up. Alright, so if there's anyone there, you can just kind of take a photo. And that doesn't seem to work. I don't know what this does. Finish the area of where he stands. Alright, and then I can like kind of pause him there. Okay, and then maybe this is to, oh, this is to reset. Okay, yeah, but you can't do a selfie camera version of it. Now the thing about this is it something you should buy, like S20 Plus BTS Edition? I think from my previous video of the worth or not, I think it was quite a while back, whether it's worth buying. The S20 Plus is definitely worth buying because it's like cheaper, much cheaper than the Ultra, and it's got almost just as much features. And of course the battery life and all that. But this model, BTS model, I've heard that some models actually release with 5G on them. I'm not sure if this one has 5G, I don't think so. But should you buy this or not? I think, sure, go ahead. If you're in the market for a new phone, it's July now, right? Although there are phones that are coming out soon, like in a month or 2, new phones, new Pixel, OnePlus Nord and all that. This is still a serious contender. If you like this review and if you thought this video helped you in some way or another, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any ideas or anything you want to talk about, anything you want to ask about the S20 Plus, you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. You can also tell us what you want to see next from our channel and what you want us to review so that we'll try to work something. Until then, I'm your host Thiru, and this is Random Review Squad.